And have you ever wondered when you wash your dishes, are they getting clean or are there little nasty bugs all crawling around on there from food that's left over that can breed bacteria and microorganisms? Well, your dishwasher will definitely sterilize your dishes, but what if you don't have a dishwasher in your home? Well, I'm going to explain to you in your home what you can do to ensure that your dishes are sanitized. First, I'd like to begin with your old-fashioned bleach is something you'll need to have on hand for that. But before you can use the bleach, you got to do the old-fashioned scrubbing of your plates and your dishes, your cups, bowls, and ensure that they're all the food is scrubbed off and rinsed with warm water. Then you would take your bleach, pour in a specific amount into the other compartment of your sink or in a bin or a pot where you would then submerge your dishes into. But before you could do that, you need to make sure that you have the proper sterilizing or sanitizing amount of bleach inside of the bin of warm water. So what I'd like to demonstrate to you is what's the proper amount of chlorine to ensure that your dishes are sanitized. Most households do not have the test strips that you utilize to ensure that you have the right parts per million of bleach product into the water. The safe amount is between 50 parts per million and 100 parts per million. If you go under at 10, you're not sanitizing, so you can breed bacteria and microorganisms. And if you go over the 100 parts per million, this can also cause bad taste on your food and can cause people to feel sick to their stomach, kind of like drinking plain bleach. So first, what I like to do is demonstrate with the test strip what too much chlorine or sanitizing solution in the water could look like, which then I will show you on the strip. We have 10 parts per million, 50, 100, and 200. As you can tell, this one has over 200 parts per million of sanitizing bleach in that. This would then cause someone to get sick, have a nasty taste on their plate, and a very strong odor. As you can see, this one is under the amount of 10 parts per million, which is in sanitizing your plates, which would then again breed bacteria and microorganisms. Finally, the perfect amount would fall in between 50 parts per million and 100 parts per million. And according to Delmar Learning, this is the perfect color for the strip to be for sanitation. Now, anyone can purchase these off the websites where I did research some information based on where you can find them at a good deal. There's other places that have them, and if you were to go to Warstenstrom website, they can explain more about the bacteria that grow and the microorganisms that can cause people to get ill. The FDA also requires that you have the water temperature to be at least 175 degrees to help prevent the growth of the bacteria and to work with the sanitation and sterilizing. So in conclusion, I hope everyone will walk away knowing that a little bit of bleach and a little bit of water can ensure that you're not digesting bacteria and organisms, and you know that your plates are nice and sterilized and clean when you place them in your cupboards. Thank you.